Hey, it's EG. Welcome to the audio version of the Be Yourself Marketing newsletter. And if you haven't checked out the podcast yet, there are real conversations with entrepreneurs just like you, and they're building on their own terms because your best marketing strategy is the one you were born with. Find it wherever you listen. Now, let's get into the newsletter. AI isn't the problem. You are. Now, before you turn away, hear me out for a sec. Because everywhere you look, service-based freelancers are panicking about AI. A copywriter I spoke to this week actually told me she was about to quit. Not because she wasn't good, but because she thought clients wouldn't need her anymore. Well, why would a client pay me when they can just ask ChatGPT for free? Honestly, I'm hearing it more and more. And it's not that people aren't afraid of AI. It's like the fear is of becoming irrelevant. And look, I do get it. Even for someone like me who's been doing this a lot longer before AI showed up, you can't ignore how fast this thing is moving. The tech is impressive. And yeah, it's intimidating as bleep. But the thing is, the idea that copywriting is dead as a business, that's just fake news. Because AI replaces copywriters. Saying that AI replaces copywriters really is like saying it's the car that wins the race. Nope, the driver does. You don't believe me? Follow this analogy. Imagine putting a 16-year-old kid behind the wheel of a Formula One race car. It's insane power, crazy speed, engineered to win. Now, put that car on a track next to a beat-up Mini Cooper. Now, hold your laughter for a second, because that car has Michael Schumacher behind the wheel. Who wins, the expert or the tech? Be honest, you know that the kid doesn't make it past that first corner, right? Because having the power without the skill to use it isn't just dangerous, it's reckless. So in this scenario, AI is the race car and copywriters are Schumacher. And this isn't just about copywriting. It's happening everywhere. Designers using AI tools without understanding design. Marketers pumping out content like cotton candy without understanding strategy. Business owners are automating things they don't really get a grasp on. AI isn't replacing expertise. It's exposing the people who never had it, because the tool isn't the advantage. Knowing what to do with it is. And no matter how powerful that tool is, it still needs someone who knows what quote unquote good looks like. Right now, a lot of businesses have the keys to one of the fastest and most powerful tools ever created, but they have no clue how to use it, and they're starting to crash. So what's actually happening behind the scenes? Well, businesses are starting to drown in generic, cheap, AI-generated content. And when they didn't initially get those earth-shattering results they were expecting, they just decided, well, I need to spit out some more of the same. Post more, send more emails, run more ads, more of the same. They've dug themselves into a hole that's so deep they can't even see daylight. Now they've got two options. They can either keep doing the same old and slowly bleed out, or they can bring in somebody who actually knows how to fix it. Spoiler alert, more of the same isn't the answer. Better is. So here's why this is happening. AI doesn't know what quote unquote good is. It just learns from what it's fed. And that's the problem, because it can't tell the difference between a thumbs up coming from a beginner or someone who spent 20 plus years mastering the craft. To AI, it's all the same. And let's be honest, there's a whole lot more inexperienced copywriters out there than there are experts. You ever notice how people say you can spot AI writing because of those things like the M dash? That's not AI being bad. AI didn't invent the M dash. That's AI learning from average writing and repeating it. Technically, it's a good thing, but the problem is AI doesn't think. It doesn't know specifically what you want it to do unless you tell it. And if you don't understand the fundamentals of copywriting and persuasion, you can't tell it. No more than watching a bunch of YouTube videos is going to help the 16-year-old win a race against an expert that's been doing it for years. So what's getting reinforced? It's obviously not the clarity, persuasion, or conversion. It's the average. And the average of more inexperienced, quote unquote, sounds good content is not making AI smarter. It's actually watering it down. Without someone who actually understands what works, you end up with content that sounds good. But it's really just the quote unquote cotton candy content that I mentioned. It's big, it's fluffy, it's made fast, and it looks good. But the second you bite into it, poof, it disintegrates into cavity creating goo. That's the gap. And it's getting wider because AI doesn't replace the skill, it amplifies it. In the hands of someone inexperienced, it becomes noise, fluff. It sounds good, but nothing converts. But when you put it in the hands of someone who actually knows what they're doing, you get clarity, persuasion, and results. Same vehicle, different drivers, completely opposite outcomes. So no, copywriting as a business itself isn't dying. It's becoming the difference between businesses that scale and businesses that quietly disappear under a pile of their own content. The future isn't AI versus copywriters. It's happening across every skill-based industry. It's actually amateurs versus pros. And that race isn't even close because AI isn't killing the need for copywriters or any service-based businesses. It's exposing who's actually good at it. And that is a very uncomfortable truth. Now, you tell me, how are you using AI? Are you trying to replace the person, the expert, or are you trying to learn to become the expert? Make it a crash-free week.